circuit studies breaking down each F1 track race by race. Today's lesson is the Mexico City Grand Prix. The Autodromo Hermanos Rodriguez circuit is truly unique in that it sits more than 2,200 meters above sea level, and altitude impacts everything that we do, but more on that later. For this race, the lap length is 4.304 kilometers. There's 71 laps for the race, 17 turns going clockwise, and 3 DRS zones, although 2 detection points. As you can see, the main straight on this circuit is very long, coming in at 1.2 kilometers. Turn 1 is a heavy braking zone, and we do get some very high top speeds here, but what helps the top speeds is the altitude. Because this circuit is in high altitude, we do see around 20 to 25% less air density than at sea level, and this impacts so much. For example, there's around 20 to 25% loss in downforce because there's less air pushing the cars to the ground, and with fewer air particles, this also does mean reduced drag and reduced air resistance, simply because there's less air for the cars to cut through, and this does really give us some very high top speeds. In 2016, the Mexican Grand Prix, in the race, Valtteri Bottas in the Williams did achieve the record for the highest top speed in the speed trap, and that was 231.46 miles per hour. Altitude impacts so much: the DRS, the cooling, the people, so much more. I've done an F1 classroom video on this, so do go and check it out. With tyres, Pirelli have chosen to skip a step, so we've got the C2 as a hard tyre, the C4 as the medium, and the C5 as the soft, and they want to encourage tyre strategies. Last year was overwhelmingly a one-stop, so they want to see more two-stops. The track itself is actually quite smooth. At the start of the weekend, we really do see low levels of grip, but throughout the weekend, track evolution is very, very high. Now, a major change we'll see this weekend is in free practice 1, because we will see 9 rookies completing their mandatory rookie session, and we'll also see Pato O'Ward, Mexican native, in the McLaren, so that's very, very exciting. Now, if you've never seen this Grand Prix before, something that I think is so fun is the podium celebrations. The winning car and winning driver are actually elevated onto a platform in front of the podium, and it's just so exciting because it all takes place in the stadium section where there are so many fans. So that's everything you need to know about the Mexico City Grand Prix. I'll see you for lights out.